The PDI produces an audible alarm whenever a metallic object passes through it that has not been discriminated out. The LED lights pinpoint the exact location of the metal object. On the left, center, or right side of the body, from head to toe, within 33 distinct areas. Any necessary hand scanning can be directed to the specific area indicated by the zone lights. Here are the PDI's touchpad controls. Using this key, the detector's controls can be set to either enable or disable to prevent unauthorized access. When the Operate touchpad is pressed, the PDI runs a self-diagnostic program and automatically tunes itself to its surroundings. When the word Operate is displayed below this green ready light, the unit is ready for screening. The green walk symbol on the entry side of the PDI will also be illuminated when the detector is ready to accept an individual. A special feature of the PDI is an infrared sensor across the archway designed to enhance detection capabilities. It improves analysis of three-dimensional detection by correlating signal processes with actual physical movement within the archway. This increases throughput by minimizing false alarms. When you press the counter pad, the patron count will be reported on the display, along with the number of alarms that have occurred since the counter has been reset, and the percentage of alarms in relation to the number of individuals who have passed through during this period of time. To return the counter and alarm count to 0, press and hold the counter touchpad for 5 seconds. Whenever anything other than the current traffic count is being displayed, press this touchpad to cause the count to appear. To make changes to the volume level of the PDI's audible alarm, press the volume pad. The current volume level is displayed, and that volume level can be heard. Use these plus and minus touchpads to raise or lower the detector's volume. When the program touchpad is pressed, the settings that control the program and base sensitivity levels of the detector will appear. This access touchpad is to be used only by authorized personnel to make additional adjustments. This ready light and the green walk symbol must always be illuminated before anyone is permitted to enter the detector for inspection. The red wait symbol will appear, and the ready light will blink whenever a person breaks the infrared beam across the archway. The blinking light and the wait sign tell you that the detector is not ready to accept any traffic. Let's discuss what happens when a person passing through the PDI triggers an alarm. When an alarm sounds and the pinpoint lights illuminate, the person passing through the detector must either be asked to pass through again after removing metal objects or be inspected with a hand scanner. If an alarm sounds and pinpoint lights appear when the person passes through the detector again, the pinpointed area must be investigated. These pinpoint lights will alert you to the area of the individual requiring searching and make it easier to find the metal that caused the alarm. When lights on one side of the PDI illuminate, the metal is on that side of the person in the horizontal area where the lights are located. Lights on both sides indicate target balance. This means that the metallic object may be located within the center of the person, or that there may be targets on both sides of the individual. This is another reason that the source of the alarm must always be found before a person can be allowed to proceed. Take nothing for granted, and be sure to locate the metallic source that caused any alarm. If it's in the zone where pinpointed lights appeared, don't let a person merely point to a belt buckle or a piece of jewelry and try to walk on without being scanned. They must permit you to discover the source of the alarm. If a concealed weapon is ever discovered, the operator should follow instructions given by authorized personnel. Operators have these basic responsibilities. Make sure the ready light is illuminated. Check program and base sensitivity, which can be done with the program touchpad. Test the unit at the start of each day or whenever anything has been changed in the setup. Pass through the PDI with a detectable metal object to make certain it is operating properly. And, most importantly, respond to all alarms. Always make certain you know exactly what caused the alarm to sound and the pinpoint lights to appear.